LS Simple Man here where you got the little 38 Dodge, aka 38 Special. Got the 6.0 tvs2300 jack shaft blower on it, and getting about ready to do the final WOTs on it. Got good fuel pressure. I'll be glad I can finish buttoning up all these hoses and stuff. Got an intercooler in there, radiator, fans, and a dual pass condenser. So we will have air on this bad boy. Waiting on the Dakota Digital instrument cluster to come in. We got one for like a 38 Chevy, 32 Chevy, something crazy. It'll fit in these holes here. I got all my inputs for it. I'm gonna have my headlight switch over here, ignition switch, 67 Firebird ignition switch, GM headlight switch. I got to make a bracket for my brake light switch because we got this pedal assembly out of an old Chevy truck, and the hydro boost is under the cab. Yeah, this thing here is just about got it. It's worked out. Just hit it. www.lssimple.net, because com was taken.